Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we will learn how to take a screenshot of the chat on Snapchat without knowing the other person. If you take a screenshot of someone's chat, he will be able to know that you have taken a screenshot of his chat. Is there any way to take a screenshot without knowing them? Yes, don't worry. Here we will discuss how to take a screenshot of someone's chat on Snapchat without knowing them. First of all, you have to open Google Assistant from your mobile device and go to its settings. Scroll down and here you can see a lot of options about settings. You have to click on General and now you have to enable Use Screen Context option. Now go back and open Snapchat application and click on the chat icon from the bottom. Here you can see the list of people they can chat with you on Snapchat. For example, you want to take a screenshot of this chat. Now ask Google Assistant to take a screenshot. It will take a screenshot for you. Now you can share it on different platforms or wherever you want. This is the simple and easy way to take a screenshot of someone's chat on Snapchat without knowing them. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.